Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make fish pickle today, okay? Fish, sticky rice, garlic, sea salt, sugar. Okay, let's get started. Cook with me, okay? Okay, what I do here, I use the sticky rice, cooked sticky rice, okay? I'm gonna separate the sticky rice with cold water. What I have here is the rice water to soak the fish for good 30 minutes to the hour, depend on how much time you have, okay? That way it's บ่ให้ปากมันขาว clean the fish so much better this way. Let them in the water, rice water. After I clean my fish, soak my rice, mince my garlic, everything already, okay? So we're gonna mix the ingredient together now, alright? Let's get started, guys. It's finished, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead cover up, leave about 3 days, okay? And let me check it out, okay? See you in 3 more days. Bye. See you. All right, it's day 3. Let's take a look at the fish, okay? The sour fish that we made past 3 days ago. See what they look like, all right? All right, see, I open up now. They look like this. The garlic and the rice is turned very yellow and hom smell very good, okay? Let me open up and take a look now. Wow, look at that. Okay, that's what they look like, guys. But I don't need the rice, okay? We take out the rice เพราะว่าเขาจะเอาไปจืน ลองเฮ็ดเด้ออันนี้ส้มปลาเป็นปลาจืดอันเนาะคันมันเฮาเฮ็ดจืดนะมันจะบ่มีน้ำบ่ให้มีน้ำไหลเวลามาจืดปลาเฮาจะบ่ได้แตกได้หักเนาะ Okay guys the difference that between the dry my fish look kind of like dry because I'm gonna deep fry the other one we have to put like the rice water into it to make colored juice the fish have a juice but this one is really dry see when you cook it's perfect the fish is just whole thing real good โอเคมาซีมันดูว่ามันแซ่บอ่ะvery moisture the outside skin very crispy and the sour taste is perfect I believe like about 3 days okay but if you like a lot of sour you can do 4 days and then you wanna eat with a side like pepper onion whatever see the rice I deep fry like that it give like crispy so when you deep fry your food take time go step by step so that's why the food come out crispy and not only that you're gonna break down the food each one is tastes very good okay หมดก็แซ่บอยากได้ข้าวเหนียวเมื่อในบ่ได้นึ่งข้าวเหนียวก็เลยบ่ได้กินข้าวเหนียวเนาะแซ่บหลายเฮ้ If you like hit subscribe and like my video and I will come up with something new for you guys next time okay make sure you subscribe see you next time okay see you next time bye ลาก่อน